My son's online classes have started at home due to COVID pandemic. Oof, one more task at home and of course a responsibility for children. Okay, we will do that. After all, we are mothers, and thereupon my little champ's online journey began at home. So, his class schedule is 9:30 to 1 and the first period is of assembly. And now it's 9. Wait, what? Oh my god, I don't know, how would I manage? He takes an hour to take bath every day and I have been waking up to the little champ since 8:30 in the morning. But he's always lost in his own chocolatey world, in which he is a hero and a champion and all the stars are his friends. Get up, or else you will be late for class. But there was no effect on him. He is lost in his world and keeps smiling and dreaming. Get up, otherwise you will be late. Finally, little champ woke up. Yay! At 9 o'clock. So, let's go ahead. He's taking a shower in the bathroom. 9, 9:15, 9:20, and he's still taking a shower along with the toys in the bathtub, which is his daily habit. So, it's about to be 9:30 and my temperature is going up fast. And I'm worried as if I have to be present in the class, not him. All mothers in the world are same. So, the teacher has logged in, but where's the champ? And when I called him, I saw that Prince Charming has come out of the bathroom and on the other hand, assembly has started in the class and ma'am is calling him to attend the assembly. But he's relaxed and looking at his biceps in the mirror. Wow, he has a very strong body. Actually, he uses to eat biscuits and chocolates all the day. The reason behind his good body. So let's move on. It's 9:40. Where are you? I can't see you. But now, my anger has increased even more. The assembly is about to end, and here he is wearing the clothes like he doesn't care and acts like a prince. Go to the class, hurry up!
Mom, just relax. Jaya Hai, Jaya Hai, Jaya 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 Hai.
I'm so proud of my national anthem. Where were you?
Sorry, ma'am.
Don't be late again, otherwise don't come to the class. So let's move on. After the assembly, the first period is of Hindi subject. But where's the school bag? In the cupboard? Really? He's sitting in the class without books and bags? Wow, he's very sincere. But wait, he's thinking something. But what? He's thinking about food. It's very common that one feels hungry after taking a shower. So, he comes to me in the kitchen and asks, Mom, can I have some chicken pops from KFC? He loves chicken. But I made an omelette for him and said that you should not leave the class again. Actually, he needs an excuse to leave the class. And after having breakfast, he is playing with the toys in class. And on the other hand, the class is going on, but it has no meaning. And after some time, Hindi period is over. But after every period, there is a break of 10 minutes in which he can drink water or eat some snacks. But he needs nothing in break. And after the break, the second period starts. But where's the little champ? Aha, he is playing under the table. Where are you? I can't see you. What are you doing? Switch on your camera and unmute your mic. Oof. And after turning on the camera and unmuting the mic, he says that we have some network issue. Very clever. In fact, we have faced some signal issue many times. So, my son took advantage of this and spoke the same to the teacher. So fast. And really, I don't know how children learn to answer so quickly. And I have to tell you one more about his habit that he neither drinks water nor eats anything in the break. But as soon as the class starts, he has to go to the toilet sometimes, he has to drink water sometimes, he has to eat something, blah 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 blah, blah 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 blah.
Mom, just chill. Ma'am, can I go to the washroom?
Yes. See what I told you. After spending 10 minutes in bathroom, he comes and thank God he attends a class. But wait. After some time, I get a call on mobile and instead of paying attention in class, he starts looking for my mobile. Actually, he needs an excuse, just one excuse, to leave the class and pretends to help me. But he doesn't know that I am his mother and I can understand all his smartness. So let's move on. After this class, he has music class, then computer class, and similarly his mischief continues in every class with any excuse. But it's not that he does it every day, he often attends his class very well like a sincere child. Nowadays, teaching children at home as well as managing household work is very challenging for mothers. But we mothers are born trainers and we could manage everything. And I hope the pandemic will get over soon and our children could go to the school again for the real learning. Have a nice day. Hi. Thank you very much for watching the video. Hope you liked the video and please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.